In JavaScript, the equal sign is an assignment operator. This sounds more confusing than it is. It just means that the value of the left operand is equal to the right operand. In the equation x equals y, the equal sign assigns the value of y to x. This is important because it allows us to compute values of two different data types, such as numbers and strings. Let's take a look at an example. In this JavaScript code, we're adding a numerical value with a text string. If we save the file and preview it in our web browser, we can see that the numerical value 30 is attached to the text string hats.